Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons that we offer. One of the nice things about being both a coursebook writer and a teacher is that I often get to teach from the material I've written. So this morning I was doing a class using Outcomes Advanced, a book I co-authored with Andrew Walkley. And as I said, it can be really nice being able to use material you've written with students you're teaching. The problem is sometimes it can be a bit of a double-edged sword, as for example happened this morning, because I was teaching this group and we were talking about famous people from history, and one of these people was Archimedes, and I mentioned that I thought he was Egyptian. And one of my students corrected me and told me that in fact he lived his life in Italy. And obviously I was slightly embarrassed by not knowing this fact myself, and I had to apologise for showing myself up. If you show yourself up, you embarrass yourself. You can also show other people up. So maybe if you have a 13 or a 14-year-old child and you walk them to school and try to kiss them goodbye in front of their friends, they might act in a really embarrassed kind of way and say, "Dad, stop it, you're showing me up in front of my friends." It can also be used as a noun. So if you've embarrassed yourself in a particular situation, you can say, "Oh God, it was awful. I didn't even know the answer to this exercise I'd written myself. It was such a show up. I was so embarrassed." If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when you've shown yourself up, or times when you thought other people were showing you up in front of your friends or your colleagues.